You are my tender half of a heart. I feel so good when you are close to me, but sometimes we have to part for a while, and then I am very lonely without you, my love. I miss you every minute, every second, and I look forward to our meeting, my baby, my love. Will always warm you. You are my magnet, dear. I want to put you into my heart and never let you go, my beloved. Your love is a treasure I hold dear in my heart. It is a gift that I will cherish for eternity. I love you more than words can say, sweetheart. Your love is like a melody that plays in my heart, soothing my soul and bringing me peace. I am forever grateful for your presence in my life.